peaceful residents of Deggendorf, the gateway to the picturesque Bavarian forest. As we commemorate the arrival of 2025 in an awe-inspiring way, we couldn't be more thrilled, capturing the essence of the lively city square. People from all walks of life, family groups, friends, and even couples join together with excitement. The heart of Deggendorf is brimming with energy tonight. Laughter, joy, and anticipation permeate the air as we eagerly await the clock to strike midnight. Together, our community is coming together to bid farewell to the year of 2024 and giving a warm welcome to the new year, filled with hope and contagious happiness. With vibrant lights and dazzling faces, Deggendorf shines in its unity and unpretentious celebration. Let it be a memory we treasure forever. The dazzling show of fireworks lights up the night, sky above the majestic Danube River, showcasing captivating reflections on the sparkling water. And just like that, it's the first instant of 2025. The sky above Deggendorf is luminous with hope, joy, and a glowing optimism for future days. We couldn't be more excited. Our close-knit community here in Deggendorf celebrates not only the end of a year, but the connections that unite us all. Let's embark on a year filled with growth, happiness, and lasting relationships. From every single person in this wonderful community, we wish you a happy new year. Here's to a prosperous and successful 2025. Prost, du schönen Jahr des Lebens.
Hassan!